Now, one of the big challenges we have in working with student athletes is their life is very busy. And if we try to help them institute a bunch of routines, well, we know when they try to do too much, it's probably going to fall apart. So this brings us to the concept of the lead domino. What is the one and only one routine that they can implement to give them the biggest return on their investment? The common lead dominoes for most people are working on their sleep or getting more movement. So for example, if you get more sleep, well, you learn better, your focus is better, you're in a better mood, we don't make as many impulsive decisions. Working on just one thing improved a lot of different aspects in our life. Once you get past sleep and exercise, it can be more challenging to find your lead domino. So here's how we do this with student athletes. The first thing that we do is on a whiteboard or on a sheet of paper, we have them brain dump all of their challenges. In that brain dump, we want to have their challenges and also their to-dos. So we want to get everything out of their head and onto a paper or a whiteboard. Once you do this, you'll immediately see their shoulders drop. Getting everything out of their head will decrease their anxiety. Remember, the brain is for having ideas and not holding ideas. Once everything is out, we can look for similarities or we can categorize similar challenges. Then we can look for the one routine that will not fix everything in their life, but will support and help as many of these challenges as possible. Common routines for student athletes include going to office hours with their professors, spending more time studying in a structured environment, and learning how to advocate their needs in a clear and kind way.